AOI 2023. Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, a look at the headlines. President Draupadi Murmu presents Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowships and Academy Awards. Meghalaya BJP gears up for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Shillong. TMC all out to defeat BJP and all its allies, says AITC MP Mahua Moitra. And the security forces deployed in Block 2 to ensure fair and free elections in the upcoming election. And now the news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu has said that Indian arts can spread peace and harmony in today's time, which is full of tension and conflict. She added that Indian cultural values have become more useful in the modern era. President Murmu stated this while presenting the Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowships and Academy Awards for the year 2019, 2020 and 2021 at a function in New Delhi today. On the occasion, 8 eminent personalities were given Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowships in the field of performing arts. A total of 128 artists from the field of music, dance, theatre, traditional, folk and puppetry were awarded with Sangeet Natak Academy Awards. These Academy Awards includes 3 joint awards. Meghalaya BJP stands prepared to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the state. Senior BJP leader A.L. Hek said that all preparations are done and the Prime Minister will land at Upper Shillong ALG around 11 a.m. and will proceed towards Usosotham Auditorium to pay homage to the 3 freedom fighters of the state, Utirot Singh, Ukyang Nangba and Pa Tokan Sangma. He informed that the Prime Minister will then address a gathering at Khandailad and after that leave for Tura.
We BJP, we are gearing up for the visits of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Now also Modi has not come during this election, but Modi wave is already there, not only in the urban area or the Shillong city, even in the rural, remotest rural, people talking about Modi, Modi and Modi. It is first time in the history of Meghalaya. BJP is contesting in all the assembly constituencies. If we are getting only 50 mark also of the 34 constituencies, we will be 15 plus of BJP in the state of Meghalaya. And BJP will be led government in the state of Meghalaya.
All India Trinamool Congress AITC MP Mahua Moitra in a press conference today asserted that there is a clamour for change in Meghalaya and the massive turnout in Phulbari election rally is an indication of it. Stating that the days of the national parties are over in India, she said one cannot depend on the bi-party system. She said that the TMC is out to defeat the BJP and all its allies, and while they have proven in West Bengal. In Meghalaya, corruption stands out. While the state is mineral rich, the government in the past 5 years have done nothing in infrastructure, roads and healthcare and deserves to be shown the door. She asserted that the TMC is here as an alternative and don't need to prove our credentials.
Meghalaya is not a poor state. Meghalaya is a mineral rich state. The people of Meghalaya, the development of Meghalaya is, it's not something to be thrown away. And I think any government that for the past 5 years has been in power and has done nothing for infrastructure, for roads, for healthcare, for all-round development, deserves to be shown the door. And we are here to offer people an alternative. We are fighting here to offer people an alternative. We are here as a national party.
The Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District and the District Election Officer of Ribhoi District, Arpit Upadhyay, has informed that security was deployed in Block 2 as to ensure for the fair and free free elections in this upcoming elections stated to be held on February 27th. While briefing to the media persons at his office chamber today, the Deputy Commissioner and the District Election Officer of Ribhoi, Arpit Upadhyay, said that the district administration has taken serious action following the report received that an MLA from West Karbi Anglong has said that voters from Block 2 will not be allowed to cast their vote in this upcoming election in Meghalaya. To avoid any fear among the voters in Block 2, security forces including the police and CRPF were deployed in Block 2 and foot patrolling were conducted on regular basis so as to ensure no hindrance or interruption will take place for the smooth and fair elections in Block 2 in Meghalaya.
And as far as security is concerned, there is no issue and there is no atmosphere of fear, fear or something like that. By the senior officials at the highest level have assured that there will be no hindrance, there will be completely smooth conduct of elections and people will come and exercise their votes and all. And I would also like to say that anyone who is found spreading any kind of fake news or rumors or creating an atmosphere of unnecessarily to creating an atmosphere of fear that can impact the conduct of free and fair elections or a smooth election, then action will be taken against that person accordingly.
With less than a week to go for the Meghalaya elections, the election department has made special arrangements in the non-motorable areas. DD India correspondent Vishal Baristo travels by boat to Kamsing village near the Bangladesh border to bring you this special report.
Kamsing polling station is the farthest polling station situated remotely from other human habitations as the people travel by boat to reach the village. It is also a non-electrified village supported by solar lines. The only way to reach there is through country-made small boats.
Now our journey on the Mid-2 River has started. It's a 1 hour long journey and I have with me SDO Jacqueline. Let's talk to her and find out. Jacqueline, it's quite difficult journey and only for 35 voters you have to go there. Why?
It's because there are women and infirm voters who may find it difficult to travel by boat to reach another polling station like Karkhana village. So therefore, because of keeping in mind that now every election should be accessible elections, so therefore Kamsing is also given a polling station.
But this is a very difficult terrain and if it rains then what happens? So how early you have to reach there?
We have to be there 2 days before the poll day. So then we also give polling parties the safety gears so that they'll be ready, and the raincoats, the umbrellas, all of that are given to the poll parties so that they can move easily to the polling station.
So we have the life jacket here, and do you also do the divers also accompany you?
Yes, sure. The divers, we keep them. We identify many divers, like around 5 to 6 divers, so that they accompany the team. So that if there is anything, any risks involved, then the divers will be able to help them. But with the once they wear this vest, so therefore I think they will be more safe.
So there you heard from Jacqueline. Jacqueline is also accompanying us. Let's go to the village and talk to the voters. How excited are they? Is it for the first time are you voting?
No, it's third time.
Third time. So what all issues are there in your mind that when you go to vote?
Yeah, the first thing that I want as we've seen that there is so hard to walk and to go there and here also. So I want to develop my village and even the road also, the electricity. So that's why.
Well, all the village also want the development. Road, we want road, electricity.
There are 35 voters here and 23 houses. With cameraman Senthil and Saurabh in Kamsing village, this is Vishal Baristo for DD India.
And now here is the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 21.2 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 11.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 66%, while in the evening it stood at 43%. The forecast: light rain is very likely to occur at isolated places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. President Draupadi Murmu presents Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowships and Academy Awards. Meghalaya BJP gears up for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Shillong. TMC all out to defeat BJP and all its allies, says AITC MP Mahua Moitra. And the security forces deployed in Block 2 to ensure fair and free elections in the upcoming election. And that's a wrap of today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us. And from all of us here, it's wishing you good night.